morning! Last night I wild camped for the first time in South Africa. There's my tent, bicycle, next to the road, sort of. I had like this little bush that covered me so nobody could see me. They only passed like 2 cars last night. Didn't have any trouble, slept like a rock, so it all went well. Now I'm just drying the tent from the dough. Breakfast. Breakfast. Wat eet julle manne? Shame, I'm only realizing now that I'm licking the grass for water. Shame, wie is hierdie boer man? It's a nice frisky morning on my way to Stilbaai. Stilbaai, Jongensfontein, ons gaan Stilbaai toe. Welkom in Stilbaai! Now I'm leaving Stilbaai. I got a new hat. I got a nice curry vetkoek from Spar. Yeah, now I'm making my way to Gourits. I don't think there's going to be much in Gourits, but let's see. I'm probably going to wild camp. It's about 55 kilometers from here and it's already 12 o'clock. So, let's see man, ek vang al vroeg in die oggend 'n visie man. Vandag 'n vybreekie, quick fig break. Yes, so this heat is brutal. Wow! Submerged in this fynbos. I'm truly blessed with today's view. The fynbos and the ocean. I love it. I can hear the waves breaking on the rocks. The birds in the fynbos. But today is quite a drag on this gravel road. Oh, wat, die see raak al hoe blouer en groter en mooier. Ja, Gourits mond is om die draai, nee wat, is nog 40 kilos. Yes, so, cheeky horings op Bible. Hey, daar zebras. Hey, zebras. I just climbed my last hill. Now it's all downhill from here to Gourits. Oh, dankie tog deurpad. Ebus, what a race. I made it. Kyk dan Gourits.